In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to stop auto-deleting of your messages on iPhone. By retaining message history, you safeguard important information, maintain a trail of conversations for legal or professional purposes, and preserve sentimental or valuable exchanges. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of messages. On this page, you will then navigate onto the option of message history right here. Head into Keep Messages. Make sure to choose on the last option of Forever. When selected, all your messages will get stored into your messaging app forever. No message will disappear or get deleted unless you either change to another iCloud account or manually delete the message by yourself. That's how easy it is to disable older messages deleting themselves automatically on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.